Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this frog on dress room press. So let me just stop the pose and remove everything. I feel like you already know all the things that I put on, but we're going to use the cupcake costume and I'm just going to color it this green. Obviously you can color it to any green that you would like to, but it's just very simple to do that. And for the shoes and other stuff, you can do whatever you like. I'm just putting on some stuff here, but obviously you can like design the costume to your liking. Just gonna put this on. Turtleneck. Okay, so this is what I'm going with, but again, you can use any outfit that you'd like. For the head, I'm going to use this on the second toggle. Oh, sorry, the fourth toggle in green. Add this eye mask on, and you're going to color the first one black and the second one the color of like the tongue. Then I'm going to use the mask here, and I'm going to color both the same color like for the tongue. Then I'm going to use this, and I'm going to color that green, and I'm going to make that matte. Sorry, I just need to get that. And then for the eyes, we're going to be using this code item in a lower toggle. Color the first one green and the second one black. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Oops, I forgot the gloves. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!